Timonium Motorcycle Show in Maryland, and you're watching Bangin Gears.
Hi there, my name's John Roberts from the Edgewood, Maryland. We're at the Timonium Bike Show 2019, and this is my Yamaha XX650 1972 that I built. It took me about 3 years to build it in my garage at home. In the wintertime, that's what I do for a hobby. Started out with a bare bones frame, had it powder coated, got a Harley Sportster tank, Sportster front fender. Front end stock 72 Yamaha. Rear fenders Jesse James. Did a lot of sanding and polishing on the motor. Rebuilt the top end. Took the wheels apart. Had them powder coated also, and the hubs, and put stainless steel spokes in it. I don't know, it was a fun little project. I've been showing it for a few years now, and probably getting ready to start another project here in a week or two. Thank you.